2025 Toyota Crown. We have the automatic parking brake. We want to disable this feature. It's very simple, okay? Right here you have the parking brake button. All you're gonna do is push and hold it down, keep your foot on the brake, like this. And then you'll notice that the parking brake signal has gone away. If you hold it down long enough, you'll get electronic parking brake shift interlock function deactivated. And that's all you have to do. The car will remember this forever. You can turn the car off and on, put it in drive, and the automatic parking brake will be disabled. If you want to reactivate it, it's the same thing. Instead of pushing down on the button, we're just gonna put our foot on the brake, pull up, and hold it till we get the message that it's reactivated. And that's it, okay? So now the car will remember to put the parking brake on every time we put it into park. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button, or leaving me a comment. Really appreciate that. You guys take care and have a great day.